Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making a delicious palava sauce, also known as spinach or kontomire stew. It is simple, nutritious and absolutely delicious. Let's cook together. And our spinach stew is ready and it's been served with yam. You can also enjoy this delicious stew with rice or plantain. Don't forget to like this video, and until I see you in my next video, remain blessed. Bye. Say hello to healthy hair. Find all you need for the perfect hair routine with our hair care products. Our specialized complete hair washing kit, beard growth oil, dandruff treatment oil and extra hold gel works wonders. Order yours now. Available now in the UK and we deliver worldwide.